Hey guys, Mr. Barrett here. Each week I'm also going to give you some type of gameplay activity that's going to help us get to our 60 minutes of physical activity a day. This week the activity is called Pong, and I classify any type of Pong game as I have a side, my opponent has a side, we have some type of divider in the middle as our net, and we're maybe going to use a ball, a balloon, or you'll see some of the things that we use today when we show you the gameplay and how it's played. But you be creative. There's a lot of different ways you can play this, but just trying to be active is our goal here. Alright, for our first game, which is a Pong type game, what I've done is I actually just took some masking tape and I spread it across two chairs. So a couple things to remember. Be creative. Use any equipment that you can find. Make sure you're being safe at all times. Make sure you ask permission. That's the big one. But just use things around you, because we don't have a lot of equipment maybe at home to use, so we kind of got to be creative. So for this game, I just took some masking tape, stretched it across two stools, and that is our net. I also have a tennis ball for this one, and so I'll bring on my opponent right here. She has her side, I have my side. The rules of this game: the ball has to hit once on the opponent's side before it can be hit. It has to be hit over the net, and the ball also has to be deemed playable. So that means if I hit a ball over to her and she says, "Oh, I couldn't get that one," then that is a redo, that doesn't count. So here's how this will look. I'll start by serving. It has to hit. Hit with one hand, open hand. Oh, she would get that point right there. You can start by working with your opponent, or you can work against them in a gameplay. We'll go again. You got another point. There you go. Whoever gets the point, they get a serve. So that would be our first variation of Pong. Our next one that we're going to try, we're actually going to be sitting crisscross applesauce, and I have this big Basu ball, they're called. You could use a balloon. If you have a balloon, you can use a volleyball, any sort of ball that bounces a little bit or is kind of rubber. You could try that out. We're actually going to be working together on this one using kind of our volleyball set that we've practiced in class, and so we're going to be working together. Still trying to hit it over our net. Seeing how many we can get in a row. And making sure that we don't break anything. Again, just use your creativity. Whatever you have around the house that can make this work. Be active, have fun, and I'll get you another game next week. See you guys.